I mean, this is very girly, but it's not a modern look. See, I don't like that. So, because you have to fluff that out every time. Right now, I am trying to furnish my living room. My home is still being constructed, but I want to show you a quick, snippet of what it looks like currently. I thought it would be great to share information on what I am considering right now because I am building a new home, so I'm trying to see what exactly I need to buy. The considerations that I'm sharing with you are not in order in importance, okay? I believe a lot of times we forget about the room size and making sure that the piece fits and is not going to look crazy. It looks great in the store because it's a big building that you're looking at, and so the piece doesn't look oversized there, but a lot of times we bring it, we purchase it, and when we deliver it, it doesn't look the same. It's like, oh my God, it's taking over the space, or it's just too small, right? I highly recommend you measure your room and make sure the piece that you're considering, go down in the details section if you are shopping online and make sure you look at the dimensions and make sure that you have enough space. So determine what is your budget. Go online and actually see the prices to get an idea of exactly how much sofas are going for, how much sectionals are going for, if that's what you want to consider. I would look at both options, just look at everything. So sofas as well as sectionals. Look at the prices and average them out so that you won't be surprised when you go into these stores or you're shopping online, okay? So the next one is quality. You wanna make sure you have a piece that is quality, and just because it's super expensive does not mean that it is a quality piece. These items are going to be one of the pricier pieces that you purchase for your room. With that said, you want to take the time to plan and make sure you are comfortable with what you have purchased. You want to make sure that the framing, you understand what it is made of. Ask a lot of questions when you go to the sales rep. I highly recommend you actually go into the store, the showroom, and sit on the sofa, sit on the sectional. Just get a feel, sit on it like you would, so you can get a good idea of how it's going to feel when you purchase it. I will read up on the item, and then if you have any questions, write it down and then ask your salesperson. Be sure to ask lots of questions because sometimes they may not share something that you need to know. So make sure you do your due diligence. I have been looking at a lot of pieces and I consider my style. My current style right now is modern / Scandinavian, and I want to make sure my furniture pieces align with that style. And with that consideration, I saw a couple of pieces that are so pretty, but they don't work with how I'm planning to decorate my home. So make sure that you absolutely love the piece, but it is in alignment with your style. Something else that I'm considering is my color scheme. I want to know what kind of colors I want in my family room. So I have that in mind, and I want to make sure the sofa or sectional that I purchase is a color that will work with my color scheme. Options where I can have a specific fabric, a fabric that's durable, that is high performance, that allows me to clean. Depending on your situation and who lives with you determines what kind of fabric you need. If you are interested in getting help in how you arrange your furniture, just send me an email. I'll leave all of that in the description box below. Until next time, I hope you have a great week. Bye. How can I put this? If you are someone like me, meaning I like to change out my pieces. I am someone who loves change, and I need to change my pieces. I need to rearrange my furniture. So it might not be the best idea to invest like maybe $10,000 or more for a couch or a sectional. Because I change out my furniture pieces a lot. If you are somebody like that, I would assess your budget, and it's okay that you're like that. You are who you are, and you don't have to kind of like conform to anybody else. If you are like that, don't spend a lot of money on these furniture pieces, but make sure you get a good quality piece. So look at the reviews, just do your research. However, if you are someone that will keep a piece for a very long time and you don't plan on changing out, I would highly recommend investing in a piece that is top notch. It may cost a lot, but you're going to utilize it for a very long time. Make sure you get a lifetime warranty, right? If you spend a lot of money on the item, make sure you get a lifetime warranty, because that will allow you, if something were to happen long term, you're able to utilize that guarantee and be able to replace or get your furniture piece fixed if need be.